Folks, Bob here, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I have been given permission to view video collection of these cars this gentleman has. And these cars, he said many of them, not all of them, but many of them are going to go to Barrett Jackson in January. So they're currently in Henderson, North Carolina, in a private collection. So I think what we have right here, I believe, a lot of times you can tell by the license plate they put on them. Yeah, 1960. Minnesota tags, a 1960 Buick LeSabre. Now, I'm not going to open the hoods and the trunks like I normally do when I'm videoing because these are not my cars, and the gentleman was nice enough to let me video these. So we're just going to do a little quick walk around, but I'm going to tell you something, folks. It is a little dark in here, but this car is gorgeous. It's one of my favorite cars. My dad had a 59. I guess that's one reason why he didn't have a convertible. He had a four-door. But I remember that car as a little child, I guess. But look at this thing, won't you? I know I tend to ramble on, but I'm such a car guy. I get excited sometimes. Absolutely love these 5960 Buicks. And of course, I don't touch anything. I respect people's cars. Look at this. A lot of times I'll see a car that's really done nice, but the steering wheel chrome will still be pitted. I never understood why they would. This one here this was nice, but I'm just saying some of the cars I look at, you still see that. But maybe because they hadn't gotten around to it, who knows? But beautiful fins on this car. Beautiful fins. The old AAA used to put that on the cars back in the day. The Buick Crest. What do you think, Steve? This thing is gorgeous, ain't it?
Yes, it is.
Man, I can see myself driving this. I can't see myself paying for it, but I can see myself driving it. I can't. I got enough cars as it is. I don't need to buy any more. And it is a LeSabre, because it says so. Beautiful white wall tires, big white wall tires they put on these cars. Look at that chrome around that windshield. My goodness. There's the key laying right there. You gonna take it for a spin, Steve? Oh my goodness, what a car! He said we're going down to Bojangles right quick. Man, that thing is something else. Folks, hit that thumbs up. Like this video. Please like this video and share it. And it really helps the algorithm. Another thing you can do to help us out, and it's been helping us out for about a month now. We've been asking people to do this for us. If you can, in your time, watch 2 or 3 more videos we have. We've been doing this for 3 years now. So we got over 500, I think over 700 videos on the channel. And we have everything from junkyard explorations, I call them junkyard crawls, to car shows, to private collections, to some car races we go to, some cars we're working on. We show you how to fix some things. There's all kinds of automotive content on the channel. A little something for everybody. Scroll down. You can scroll down for an hour and find something you like. Click on it and watch that video and hit that thumbs up, and that really will help us out a lot. The videos have been getting, the older ones especially, have been getting a lot more views here lately. So appreciate you guys doing that. So thank you very much. Bob out.